What's up, guys? It's your boy Alan here from Alan's Old School Garage. Today we're at the Lanita Specialized Truck Show in Mount Ayton, PA. It looks like a very, very good show. Let's go check it out. Starting off with this truck here. I like it. It's like patina. It almost looks like they did the patina with spray paint. Like,
who knows? I don't think so. It looks good.
It really does. But like that kind of looks like spray painted almost.
Maybe.
They did a really good job either way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk around.
KW?
No.
Wow, that's pretty. Jeez. Look at that. Even this right here is chrome from head to toe.
What do you think of this thing?
That thing's beautiful. This thing's beautiful also. I don't think I've ever seen trucks so beautiful. Looks like they might have got a little bit of rain here. It's wet right there. Look at a little skid loader bounce house. That's cool. This might be a heavy haul truck, since it's got the third axle that drops down for heavy haul. Oh wow, look at the back of that sleeper. Looks like an old school reefer unit or something. Look at this truck. That's beautiful. Look at the pinstriping and writing on the motor. All that chrome. Look, you can see myself. You can see yourself. Wow, I like the pedals in it. And them seats are slammed to the ground. Like the diamond windows in the back. The chrome back here got like little ripples in it.
That's good, huh?
Yeah, it does. This is beautiful also. Oh, teardrop window. I like the little crinkles. They look good. And the flat top sleeper. There ain't a part on these trucks that isn't polished. And this looks like another heavy haul truck. Because of the amount of axles, it's got 3 of them. That's a really pretty truck.
Pretty truck.
Yeah, it is. Look at that truck. White and yellow. White and yellow usually doesn't go together, but this looks really good.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah, that's real, real good.
Thank you. Another beautiful Kenworth.
Yeah, is it blue or is it purple? What would you call that?
Purple. Definitely purple.
Okay.
What's that? Oh, that's for your airline hookups.
Yep.
Make it more flush.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Clean look.
Yeah, it is. This looks like the truck that just rolled in here. Had the same thing in the back. Boom. That thing right there had that same color. Oh, here's another little air hookup, except it's covered up.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I didn't know what that was. Wow. Why is it fuzzy right there? Is that the air filter?
I honestly don't know.
I don't know
Now, your
either.
air filter would be in this here. That obviously is doing something.
Yeah.
I don't know what though.
This is a very nice show. It's crazy how people can get trucks this clean. I mean, yesterday these things could have been putting in a 10-hour workday or something. And then they can come here or shine them up when they get home at like midnight.
Yeah.
Be polishing and come here. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. I could never. Could you?
That's a labor of love, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. This truck here and this truck here, they both match.
Sure do.
Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here. 2 Corinthians 5:16 or 5:17, sorry.
Look at Mama doing the shorts.
Yep. Mom's doing the shorts.
Say hi, Mom.
Say hi. Everything on these trucks are paint matched, like even the fifth wheel hitch.
Wow. And the bolts, everything.
That's beautiful.
Alan, do you want to get a picture?
Beautiful. I like this truck here. This truck here is beautiful, beautiful. My favorite truck here.
This is your favorite so far?
Yeah, that truck has that little vent thing there also.
It does. If you see a hood pop, we can look and see what that piece does. Look at this shot.
Look at the truck back there.
Up on the lift?
Yeah, that's beautiful. It don't got a motor in it.
Wow.
This is a beautiful truck also. Wow. That looks like it got a newer dash in it, maybe. I'm not sure.
Yeah, right? Don't say that.
So early call.
Oh, the back of that thing. I like that.
A little rough. What's this?
One and done. Copyright
Sweet home Alabama, awesome. There is not a speck on this truck that isn't clean. Neither this one here. I gotta sing because I might get copyrighted for that music. Awesome alone. Sing sweet home Alabama, awesome alone. Wow, that's beautiful. This is a beautiful truck. This is at the Lebanon Lord's Car Mag, I think. No, not Lord's Car Mag, Gear Jammer. It might have been Lord's. I don't know. The one in Lebanon Valley Expo Center. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. That fifth wheel don't look like it's ever been hooked up to anything. It's a short, very short truck. They have their whole fleet at the Gear Jammer Truck Show in New Jersey. Candy. I bet this truck is luxury. Oh, it's for sale. 204 grand.